Today we are making fluffy keto pancakes that taste so good, and they're really easy to make. The first thing you want to do is grab your almond flour and pour it into your bowl. Then grab your baking powder and pour that straight in. Next, add in your granular sweetener. Today I'm using the Lakanto monk fruit sweetener. It's my favorite. I use it all the time. I've linked it down in the description if you want to go ahead and buy that. Go ahead and pour that in. We're gonna grab our whisk and just whisk all that together. Wonderful. Now, using clean fingers, we're gonna make kind of a well. That's just when you pretty much separate all of the dry ingredients to the side of the bowl, and there's like a little hole in the middle called making a well. So we're just gonna do that. And we're gonna add our wet ingredients into the middle, then we're gonna whisk them all together. So first we're gonna add our eggs, then our heavy cream, and last but not least, our butter. Now you're gonna take your whisk and just whisk the middle. We only wanna whisk the wet ingredients. If you're a little bit unsure about this whole process, you can do this in a separate bowl. I just like to do it in the same bowl because I don't wanna be getting a whole bunch of bowls dirty and then I gotta clean them all. So this is really easy, but if you're a little bit unsure about it, just use a different bowl. It's not a big deal. All right, that looks nice and combined. Now we're just going to add the dry ingredients by just stirring it all in, slowly but surely kind of incorporating all of those dry ingredients into the wet mixture. I feel like I'm using my hands way too much. What is this? I'm not even Italian. All right, that's looking good to me. So now I'm just gonna pour in about a tablespoon of water. This is just gonna help thin this batter out fractionally so it cooks nicely in the pan or in my special kitchen appliance that I have here today that I'll tell you about in a second. Let's pour that in. Looking good. Put that to the side. Now you're either going to make these in a pan, or if you have a problem burning pancakes like I do, you can use a Mini Dash Griddle. That's what I'm using today. It doesn't cost very much. If you don't have one, you can go ahead and click the link in the description below. It'll take you to Amazon where you can purchase it, or you can just Google it and purchase it from Google, whatever. All right, so the first thing you're gonna do with this is make sure it's nice and hot. You're gonna open it. Then you're gonna grab a spoon, and we're just going to place them in the middle. Then you're gonna kind of like move it around to really get those edges. You don't wanna overfill it because then it will kind of spill out everywhere. But you just wanna make sure that it's nicely coated all the way through the bottom. Now we're just gonna close the lid, and we're gonna wait until the light goes blue.
Few moments later.
Okay, so I grabbed a knife because you do not want to be touching these things with your fingers. That is very hot. So you're just going to kind of gently scoop under, lift it, and you got your pancake. You can flip it over if you want. Kind of looks better that way. Doesn't really matter, honestly. It's gonna taste great. Now I'm just going to finish this off, do the rest of them, and I will show you what they all look like after. You're gonna love it. It's gonna be so good. And there you have delicious keto fluffy pancakes that taste amazing and hardly take any time at all to make. Anyway, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to like this video, comment on this video if you have any future video suggestions for me, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos just like this one. Anyway, I hope you have a great day. See you later.